Bosch Go Cordless Screwdriver, in its version 2 or 3, is one of those gadgets that seem small but become essential once you try them. It runs on a 3.6-volt rechargeable battery and delivers up to 5 Newton-meters of torque, enough to drive screws firmly into furniture or small DIY projects. Weighing just 320 grams and measuring under 20 centimeters, it is super handy, even in tight spaces. Its speed of 360 revolutions per minute lets you work quickly and precisely, and it has 2 activation modes, either by pressing forward or with the button, making it very intuitive. It also includes smart functions like Smart Stop, which automatically halts rotation when the screw is fully in, preventing stripping. As a bonus, its lithium battery of 1.5 or 2 amp hours offers good runtime and charges easily via USB. This 750-watt electric belt sander is a real multitasking beast for the workshop, made for anyone looking for power and versatility in one machine. The coolest part is that it can be used both vertically and horizontally, so you can adapt it to the piece or finish you need. Its variable speed range from 200 to 6,000 revolutions per minute makes it perfect for both delicate work and heavy removal. The steel structure with 8 and 10 millimeter plates gives it impressive solidity, keeping it stable even during long sessions. It comes with 5 abrasive belts included, ready to start polishing, sanding, or grinding wood and metal without hassle. Despite its power, it is compact enough to fit into a home workshop and become a key tool for serious DIY projects. In short, it is like a gym for your materials, where every belt pass transforms rough surfaces into smooth, professional finishes. The A-Raj folding saw is one of those tools that look simple but end up being indispensable at home, in the garden, or even in a camping backpack. Made from high-strength SK9 steel, it combines lightness, just 220 grams, with durability that lets you cut dry wood, wet wood, bamboo, and even PVC pipes without jamming. Its 14 teeth per inch give fine, precise cuts, ideal for pruning or DIY projects. The most practical part is its folding design with safety lock, which keeps the blade firmly in place during use and prevents accidents when closing or carrying it. Plus, it takes up very little space, making it perfect to take on trips or store in your toolbox with no fuss. In short, it is a multifunctional saw that adapts to gardening, DIY, or outdoor adventures, like having a reliable blade that always goes with you. This cabinet door installation positioning tool is designed to make your life much easier when assembling furniture at home. Made of stainless steel, it combines lightness with strength, meaning it is durable but still easy to carry and use in different projects. Its versatility is one of its biggest strengths, since it works for installing floor cabinets, wall cabinets, drop-down doors, flat-back doors, or even hidden doors, covering almost every need in interior carpentry. Its compact design makes it easy to handle, and being a precise jig, it helps you keep the alignment perfect in every assembly, avoiding misfits that show up in daily use. It is the kind of tool that speeds up the job and improves results, perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and those assembling multiple pieces of furniture often. In short, it is like having a smart stainless steel ruler that ensures every door sits in place and works perfectly from the first try. This 1,400-watt electric polisher is one of those machines that impress with both power and versatility. Ideal for professional finishes on wood and metal. It is designed to sand, polish, brush, texture, and achieve a uniform satin finish, making it an all-round tool for restoration, surface cleaning, or paint removal. Its high-performance motor includes soft start and overload protection, ensuring safer, more stable use, even in long sessions. It also features constant electronic control, keeping rotation speed between 600 and 3,000 revolutions per minute, even under load, with easy adjustment through a dial on the handle. The ergonomic two-handed design reduces fatigue and gives full control with every pass, despite its weight of 5.5 kilos. In short, it is like having an industrial-grade polisher in tabletop format, perfect for turning rough surfaces into smooth, shiny finishes. This pocket hole jig kit feels like a bit of woodworking magic, letting you join boards securely while hiding the screws like they were never there. With a 15-degree drilling angle and dual pocket design, it creates stronger, cleaner joints compared to traditional methods. It includes drill bit adapters in 6, 8, and 10 millimeters, so it works across different board thicknesses, from big furniture builds to smaller home projects. Compact enough to hold in one hand, it is quick, comfortable, and saves you from lugging around bigger gear. Perfect for tables, cabinets, shelves, or any project where you want professional-looking joints without visible hardware. a clever little jig that makes DIY feel like sleight of hand carpentry. These straight router bits with 8mm shank are an essential in any workshop. But this set comes with a bonus, tungsten carbide TCT tips. This material is tougher than high-speed steel, stays sharp much longer, and resists rust, meaning you get clean, accurate cuts again and again. With top-mounted bearings, they easily follow templates or edges, making them ideal for carving, grooves, or finish cuts on projects big or small. Available in different lengths, they adapt to shallow or deeper cuts as needed. Perfect for shaping, fitting joints, or refining details, these little bits turn your router into a truly versatile partner. The Laser Pecker 2 feels like something straight out of the future. A portable laser engraver that lets you customize almost anything with professional-looking results. Compact and easy to carry, it runs on a 5-watt blue laser capable of engraving wood, leather, plastic, and more. Unlike other gadgets limited to small surfaces, this one covers from 100 by 100 millimeters, all the way up to 2000 millimeters, opening huge creative possibilities. Controlled through a dedicated mobile app, it is intuitive. Just pick your design and let the laser work its magic. It can even cut through wood up to 5 millimeters thick, perfect for DIY or custom decorative projects. A brilliant tool for hobbyists, makers, or small businesses looking to add unique personal touches. This cabinet board clip is one of those simple solutions that make furniture assembly so much easier and more precise. Designed for boards between 15 and 20 millimeters, it locks them firmly in place with a new buckle system that prevents slipping and keeps everything stable during assembly. Made from tough ABS plastic, it balances lightness with durability, so it can handle multiple projects without losing grip. It also doubles as a positioning jig, helping with marking and alignment to reduce mistakes and save time on cabinets or furniture builds. With a snap-on installation style, it is easy to use even for beginners, making it an unsung hero that guarantees neat, professional-looking results. This CNC router takes DIY and woodworking to a whole other level. Because it is not just a cutter, it is practically a mini factory. Capable of working on 3 or even 4 axes, it carves, engraves, and cuts with incredible precision on materials like wood, acrylic, MDF, PVC, PCB boards, and even light metals. Its GRBL-based controller makes it compatible with popular software, so you do not need to be a programming expert to design and run projects. It is perfect for hobbyists who want to experiment with CNC at home, as well as small shops that need custom parts. With a strong, well-built frame, it stays stable during delicate work, which is critical for fine cuts and detailed engraving. These ratchet clamps for guide rails are the kind of accessory every woodworking fan loves having around. They come in a set of 2, each measuring 160 by 60 millimeters, just the right size to offer a firm hold without taking up too much space. Their F-style design is made to work with MFT systems and guide rails, meaning you can secure your pieces quickly and safely while cutting, sanding, or routing, without worrying about them slipping at the worst moment. The ratchet mechanism makes tightening and releasing easy, saving you time with every adjustment. Built from sturdy materials, they handle pressure without bending and provide reliable grip even in heavy-duty tasks. Compact, practical, and handy, they are perfect for both home DIY projects and more complete workshops. This woodworking and carving chisel is one of those essentials you can never have too many of in your workshop, because it combines strength, precision, and versatility in one piece. Its stainless steel blade provides the hardness needed to work not only on wood but also on other materials, keeping a sharp edge for much longer. The round, ergonomic, and comfortable handle gives natural control with every push or strike, resulting in safer, more detailed cuts. It is designed for mortises, artistic carving, sculpting work, or even fine adjustments in technical projects, making it a true multi-purpose tool. And since it can be customized to fit your needs, it is even more practical, adapting to different working styles. This adjustable base guide for cutting machines is the perfect ally when you need precision and stability in woodworking. It is designed to fit circular saws and routers, providing a firm, secure support for straight and even cuts. Its adjustable clamp system can hold bases from 145 to 208 millimeters, making it compatible with a wide range of tools, including 4-inch marble machines. Built from high-quality ABS plastic, it combines strength and durability, resisting workshop wear without easily deforming. Despite being solid, it is lightweight and practical, so it does not add unnecessary weight to your work. Best of all, it turns a handheld tool into a much more controlled cutting station, ideal for anyone who wants clean finishes without giant machines. This 1,300-watt electric wall planer is designed for anyone in construction or renovation who needs speed with professional results. Its pure copper motor reaches between 1,000 and 4,000 revolutions per minute, and combined with 21 tungsten steel alloy blades, it guarantees even removal on cement, putty, or paint. One of its big advantages is the adjustable cutting depth between 0.04 and 0.16 inches, letting you switch finishes easily. The design includes double non-slip handles, made for long sessions without fatigue, and a ventilation system that prevents the motor from overheating. It also has a vacuum port to connect a shop vac, keeping your work area much cleaner. Despite its power, it is portable and comes in a sturdy case for easy transport between job sites. This 800-watt electric rooter and trimmer is like a carpenter's wildcard, combining power, precision, and versatility in a compact format. With a motor that reaches up to 30,000 revolutions per minute, it has the strength to edge, groove, bevel, and even create textures in wood and similar materials. The transparent base is a key detail, letting you see exactly where you are cutting for greater accuracy and confidence. It also comes with a guide rail and roller that follow curves and edges, ensuring steady, non-distorted cuts. Its body, made from aluminum and tough plastic, stands up to long use without losing firmness, while the lift knob makes adjusting depth simple. Best of all, it comes with tungsten carbide bits and a carrying case to keep everything organized. Perfect for both home projects and more serious jobs, it is the kind of tool that opens a whole new world of creative woodworking possibilities. This mini pen style sounder is one of those gems built for fine details where bigger machines just cannot fit. With only 18 watts of power, it is still precise and practical, running on 110 to 220 volts, so you can use it almost anywhere. Its slim, lightweight shape feels like holding a pen, letting you work comfortably on grooves, rounded edges, or tight corners that are otherwise unreachable. With 6 random orbits, it delivers smooth, even finishes, perfect for DIY projects from restoring small furniture to polishing delicate pieces. It shines in modeling, crafts, or woodworking that demands careful, surgical precision. A compact, handy tool that turns tricky details into simple finishing touches. A timeless staple in woodworking, the Ezark 6-piece wood chisel set is one of those kits that just radiate craftsmanship. Made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, they are hard enough to withstand tough use while still delivering precise cuts. The sizes range from 6 to 25 millimeters, covering everything from fine detailing to heavy carving. The blades come pre-sharpened at 25 degrees and ready to use straight out of the box, no prep needed. With ashwood handles that look as good as they feel, they are tough enough to take hammer blows without hurting your grip. The set also comes in a premium wooden box that keeps everything organized and safe, making it a great gift for any woodworking enthusiast. Tools that inspire confidence and practically whisper, "Let us get to work." This woodworking marking ruler is one of those subtle tools that quietly decide whether your project is just okay or absolutely flawless. Built from aluminum alloy, it is light yet strong, ensuring long-lasting accuracy. Its ergonomic design keeps it comfortable in hand even during long hours in the shop. What makes it really special is its versatility, serving as a straight marking gauge, a compass for circles, and even a hole ruler, making it a 3-in-1 must-have. With precise measurements, it gives you confidence for high-quality work, from intricate joinery to complex cuts or simply ensuring everything fits together perfectly. Plus, it can be customized to suit your own workflow, making it as personal as it is practical. This carpenter's workbench is the kind of piece that becomes the heart of any workshop, blending the sturdiness of a solid table with the flexibility of a multifunctional station. Measuring 120 by 150 centimeters with adjustable height between 55 and 85 centimeters, it adapts to both space and comfort. It includes a built-in saw and sliding table for precise, safe, angled cuts, plus a bevel function for creative freedom. Despite weighing 91 kilos, its foldable design makes it surprisingly portable, perfect for those who need mobility without losing stability. With this bench, you can cut, assemble, measure, and build with confidence because it is built to handle demanding projects with ease. These 90-degree right-angle locator clamps are deceptively simple, but seriously upgrade precision in woodworking. Shaped like an L and available in sizes from 3 to 8 inches, they hold 2 pieces perfectly aligned while you work, whether it is wood, glass, or even stone. Made from strong plastic and iron, they are durable yet not overly heavy, and they feature a built-in scale for quick positioning. They are perfect for assembling frames, boxes, furniture, or any project that needs crisp, solid corners. Easy to use and instantly effective, they are like having an extra set of hands holding everything at the right angle while you focus on the actual joint. Here we have a 2-in-1 machine that is pure gold for any DIY enthusiast. A table saw combined with a belt sander that turns your workbench into a precision station. With a power range of around 200 to 300 watts, it delivers enough strength for clean cuts with a depth of up to 33 millimeters, perfect for small to medium wooden pieces. The real magic is its versatility, because not only does it cut accurately, it also lets you sand edges and finish in the same spot, saving both time and space. Being a tabletop model, it is compact and easy to set up in any corner of your workshop. The variable speed allows you to adapt it to the material and task, whether it is a delicate cut or a more intense sanding. It is one of those tools that make any project look more professional without leaving home. This Deco mouse-style electric sander may be small in size, but delivers big results. Perfect for giving those precision touches that make all the difference in woodworking or home DIY projects. With its 180-watt motor, it reaches up to 13,000 revolutions per minute, meaning fast and even material removal, whether it is wood, plastic, or even iron, with the right sandpaper. What makes it super practical is the 3 interchangeable attachments that get into corners and tight spots where other sanders cannot, turning it into a true all-rounder for detail work. It also has an integrated dust collection system with its own box, keeping your workspace much cleaner. The ergonomic rubber-coated design reduces vibration and makes long hours more comfortable, while the Velcro pad system lets you change sandpaper sheets in seconds. As a bonus, it already comes with 12 sheets included, ready to go. This 10-inch corner chisel is the perfect tool for anyone who needs clean, precise 90-degree cuts in wood. It is designed to create and refine square mortises, which are essential for strong, well-finished joints. The blade, made of high-quality 40 CR steel, ensures durability and stays sharp even after many uses, while the beechwood handle provides comfort and a warm, natural feel in your hand. Its rounded shape makes control easier, so every strike feels more natural and effective. It is the kind of accessory that looks simple but completely upgrades the finish of a project, especially when you want exact fits and sharp corners. In short, it is like having an invisible ruler guiding your cut toward perfection, turning any woodworking task into something more precise and professional. This cabinet door mounting jig is one of those tools that seem simple but completely change your workshop life. Made from thickened aluminum alloy, it is strong, durable, and resists bending, even after repeated use. Its main job is helping you install cabinet doors and hinges quickly and precisely, saving time and avoiding measurement mistakes. The best part is the fully adjustable height, which adapts easily to different door thicknesses and most hinge types you will come across in woodworking. With a compact size just over 9 by 10 centimeters, it fits easily in any toolbox and you can carry it from project to project without hassle. And it is not limited to cabinets, it can also assist in cuts and measurements for other woodwork. Basically, it is like having a small portable assistant that makes sure every door fits perfectly without the headache. This quick leveling device for cabinet doors is like having an extra hand when installing furniture, because it combines 2 key functions in one tool: positioning the door and drilling the rebound hole. Made from 8mm aluminum alloy, it guarantees resistance and stability without bending, even with heavy use. The clamping range goes from 20 to 40 millimeters, so it works for both single panel and double thickness doors. Plus, you can adjust the height with precision up to 55 millimeters, ensuring the door is perfectly aligned and leveled. For extra comfort, it has non-slip pads that protect the wood surface while keeping everything steady and secure. Compact, practical, and time-saving, it is designed to deliver professional results without the hassle of constant measuring. Now let us switch gears to something smaller, but just as essential: the European-style wheel marking gauge. Built from stainless steel and brass, it has that solid, durable feel you know will last for years. It measures up to 120 millimeters with fine adjustments down to 0.2 millimeters, meaning you can scribe lines with pinpoint accuracy that make joints fit perfectly. The 12mm circular blade slices the wood fibers instead of tearing them, leaving cleaner, sharper marks than a pencil ever could. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for long sessions, and it is one of those understated tools that quietly upgrade your work from amateur level to professional quality. This next accessory can totally transform the way you cut boards: the track rail guide with circular saw support. What makes it special is how it turns a regular circular saw into a precision machine, with the rail ensuring straight, uniform cuts every single time. No more frustrating wobbles that ruin your measurements. The quick positioning system makes setup easy, perfect for repeat cuts without endless marking and remeasuring. It is especially useful when working with large panels for furniture, shelving, or decorative walls, and it even allows for stable milling cuts. Think of it as giving your saw a pair of glasses with perfect vision, because suddenly everything comes out sharper and cleaner. If you have ever tried assembling furniture or shelves only to end up with a slightly crooked corner, these 90-degree right angle clamps are the fix you did not know you needed. They are simple yet brilliant, holding two boards perfectly square while you secure them with screws, glue, or nails. Perfect for cabinets, picture frames, or shelves, where corner precision makes all the difference. With these clamps, no more awkward juggling of pieces in one hand while you drill with the other. The clamp keeps everything steady and aligned. Built tough to last, they basically act like a third hand that never slips. One of those small inventions that, once you try them, you cannot imagine working without. Here's a tool designed to make life way easier, the 2-in-1 cabinet door installation jig. Made from aluminum alloy, it is sturdy yet light, the kind of thing that slips into your toolbox without taking up space. Its big advantage is how it lets you install cabinet doors and hinges quickly and precisely without needing an extra set of hands. With adjustable height, it fits different door thicknesses, making it versatile for kitchens, living rooms, or any kind of cabinet. Measuring just about 9 by 10 centimeters, it is compact to store but works as a reliable positioning guide that saves time and effort. It is one of those simple but game-changing tools that completely change how you approach installations. Every workshop needs a classic like this, the 4-in-1 manual staple gun for carpentry and decoration. Its big win is versatility, handling different types of staples and nails, which makes it perfect for upholstering furniture, securing fabric, installing panels, or finishing up home decoration projects. Because it is fully manual, you never have to worry about batteries or outlets. It is always ready to go, even in remote spots. Compact, sturdy, and easy to handle, it suits beginners and experienced DIYers alike. And since it combines 4 tools in one, it saves you space and solves multiple jobs with a single squeeze. It is a humble little gun that ends up being the quiet hero of any workshop, firing efficiency with every click. Imagine holding in your hands a tool that makes woodworking way easier and much more precise. That is exactly what this new 40-watt electric carving knife set delivers. It is a small but powerful multifunctional chisel, perfect for working on furniture, shaping bonsai roots, or even jumping into wood sculpture projects. Its compact design, just 19 centimeters long and weighing only 236 grams, makes it super comfortable to handle without getting tired, while the non-slip grip ensures you keep full control. The secret lies in its copper motor, which not only delivers steady power, but also stays cool thanks to a rapid heat dissipation system. The kit comes with 20 high-precision blades, so you can switch from fine detailing to a stronger cut in seconds. And since it charges via Type-C USB, it is as convenient as charging your phone. If you have ever wanted a perfect finish on your DIY projects but do not have space for a big machine, this mini pen-style sander is exactly what you need. With its compact and lightweight design, it fits in your hand like a marker, yet inside it packs an 18-watt motor strong enough to leave surfaces smooth and ready for the next step. It works on voltages from 110 to 220, making it super versatile in any home workshop. The fun part is that it does more than sanding. It also polishes, grinds, and even gets into those rounded corners or tight spots where regular sanders cannot reach. It is ideal for anyone who enjoys do-it-yourself projects and needs precision on small pieces, from models to furniture with delicate details. Thanks to its orbital movement, the finish is always even and free of strange marks. This Deco rotary toolkit is like having a full mini workshop in one box, designed for both beginners and more experienced makers. Picture a 170-watt motor that can reach up to 35,000 revolutions per minute, with 6 adjustable speeds that let you move from cutting metal to polishing jewelry without breaking a sweat. The best part is the nearly 1-meter flexible shaft, which works like a pen so you can reach corners and details without losing accuracy. The set includes 127 accessories, from sandpapers and cutting discs to polishing wheels and drill guides, meaning you can carve, engrave, grind, polish, or even repair surfaces with the same tool. Plus, the ergonomic design with rubber coating and auxiliary handle reduces fatigue during long sessions, while ventilation holes keep everything cool. It all comes neatly stored in its own organizer case, so every piece has its place. If you you ever dreamed of having a powerful yet manageable tool at home to shape your woodworking projects? This tabletop electric bandsaw is pure luxury. With an 800-watt motor and a speed of 1,750 revolutions per minute, it cuts wood, acrylic, and even foam with ease. What makes it special is its versatility, since it handles straight lines, curves, and arcs, and thanks to its adjustable table from 0 to 45 degrees, angled cuts are a breeze. Its cutting height of up to 70 millimeters and throat of 90 millimeters give you plenty of room for medium-sized pieces, all with the precision of a professional tool. Despite its power, its compact tabletop design and weight of only 8.5 kilos make it easy to move in place wherever you need. You can even attach extras like polishing wheels or flexible shafts, expanding its functions even more. For fans of wood turning and fine finishes, this M2 wood turning tool is a must-have. It is a circular knife made from M2 carbide, a material known for its hardness and durability, which guarantees clean, precise cuts even after prolonged use. The design is made for exterior turning, perfect for shaping cylindrical pieces, bowls, table legs, or any project where you want smooth, uniform surfaces. With no extra coatings, it offers a direct and reliable edge, ideal for those who prefer to feel total control of the cut without additives. The high hardness of the material makes it a long-lasting tool that holds up well to wear, something essential for long-turning sessions. Imagine trimming your trees without risking your neck on a ladder. That is exactly what this electric chainsaw with a telescopic pole does, combining comfort and raw power in one gadget. It runs on a brushless motor, lightweight but beastly strong, and the extendable reach lets you grab those stubborn high branches without breaking a sweat. The batteries range from 18 to 21 volts, and here's the kicker. It cuts up to 600 millimeters in diameter, which means no branch stands a chance. The rubber-coated non-slip grip keeps your hands comfortable even during long pruning sessions, and you can adjust the angle so cutting feels as smooth as shaping your own giant bonsai. It works not only for gardening, but also for light carpentry, or even harvesting fruit without the hassle. This is one of those tools you immediately wonder how you ever lived without, because it turns tough, sweaty jobs into something that feels like a stroll in the park. If you love transforming a plain piece of wood into something unique, this 320-watt random Orbital Sander is basically like having a superpower in your hands. Compact in size and weighing just about 1 kilo and a bit, it feels light yet surprisingly strong. Perfect for small DIY projects or more serious carpentry work. The secret is the variable speed, ranging from 7,000 up to 14,000 revolutions per minute, which means you can switch from delicate detail sanding to heavy-duty polishing in seconds. The 125mm base ensures a smooth finish without annoying marks, and the dust collection system keeps you from ending up covered in sawdust that somehow always sneaks into your socks. It is practical, versatile, and built to give your boards and furniture that smooth, irresistible surface that just begs to be touched. For anyone who likes cutting with precision and without fuss, the Uneven electric jigsaw feels like a real gem. This brushless motor machine delivers a solid 1,000 watts of power with up to 3,500 revolutions per minute, which translates into fast, clean cuts in wood, aluminum, or even steel. What makes it stand out is its practical design, with tool-free blade changes so you spend less time fiddling and more time cutting. It offers 3 variable speed settings so you can match the power to the material and save energy while working smarter. The base tilts up to 45 degrees in both directions, perfect for angled cuts or creative details. And to top it off, it includes a built-in LED light that keeps your cutting line visible even in poor lighting conditions. Here's a machine that can turn a corner of your workshop into a mini factory. The GZRU-OMU desktop bandsaw. Compact yet powerful. With an 800-watt motor running at 1,750 revolutions per minute, it handles straight cuts, curves, and arcs with surprising accuracy. Its 70mm cutting height and 90mm throat depth make it versatile for different thicknesses of wood, acrylic, or even foam. The tilting table adjusts between 0 and 45 degrees, unlocking plenty of angled cutting possibilities. Despite weighing around 8.5 kilos, it is still portable for a bench tool, and it even supports add-ons like polishing wheels or flexible shafts, so it can grind, engrave, or polish too. If you have ever dreamed of giving your projects that professional carpenter's finish from your own workshop, this benchtop planer is just the thing. With 1,800 watts of motor power and speeds up to 10,000 revolutions per minute, It tackles even thick hardwoods with ease. The planing capacity reaches up to 33 centimeters wide and 15 centimeters thick, ideal for both small and large pieces. A 2-speed gearbox lets you choose between quick efficiency or ultra-fine detailing, while depth stops and thickness indicators ensure every pass is accurate without wasting material.